court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes,
This
sir.
courtroom is about to decide the fate of a young defendant, Brianna Gonzalez, charged with robbery, a second-degree felony that could land her up to 20 years in prison. But today, things take a different turn. Instead of a full trial, Brianna's attorney is pushing for something called deferred adjudication, a deal that puts the final judgment on hold, as long as the defendant stays clean. Sounds simple, right? Well, not quite. Because one wrong move, one violation, and that second chance turns into hard time. Pay attention as the judge meticulously walks Brianna through every right she's giving up, from her right to a jury trial, to her right to remain silent. And here's the question we'll all be asking by the end. Does Brianna truly understand the weight of what she's agreeing to, or is this plea just a fast escape from something worse?
Probation, this is an application. Court is calling 2025 CR 008222, State versus Brianna Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Todd Lessard for Brianna Gonzalez.
And are you Miss Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gonzalez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Gonzalez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with robbery? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm sorry, counsel, if you can hand me that trial court certification back. I thought y'all had an agreement on the resolution. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, if you're not a U.S. citizen, you could be deported, not allowed to re-enter into the United States, and denied naturalization?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 6 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The state is silent on your applications. There's to be restitution of $2,000 to the complainant. They will take in consideration 2025 CC 003927. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, there's to be no contact with the complainant. Did you understand that's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objections.
State you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront?
Right here, this is a crucial moment. The judge just laid out the conditions: 6 years cap, a $2,000 fine, restitution to the victim, and no contact with the complainant. Now, you might notice something subtle. Brianna pleads no contest instead of guilty. That's not just semantics. No contest means she's not admitting guilt outright, but she's also not fighting the evidence. It's often used when defendants want to avoid civil liability or believe accepting punishment is the safest route. But the real tension is what's unsaid. Will the court truly grant this deferred judgment, or is that second chance just an illusion? What do you think? Should robbery cases even qualify for deferred adjudication? Drop your thoughts below.
Examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Counsel, it's for a PSI and a TAP. It's about 8 to 12 weeks. If you want to wait for that, you can. Or if you would like to just present whatever witnesses you want to present and come back in a shorter time, we can do that as well.
I think that would be preferable, Your Honor. She's enrolled in high school and she also has a job waiting for her. And so we're trying to get this behind her as quickly as possible.
All right. So then I'm going to be gone next week. And then the following week, I will be serving jury duty. So I can bring you back that second week, but Judge Angelini will be hearing it, or either I can bring you back to the third week and I will hear it.
Let's do second week's fine, Judge. No offense to you, Angelina.
No,
But
that's
the quicker the better.
all right.
Yeah.
Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, sir.
next week.
Number 8.
And your plea on that was a no contest plea. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. All right. So we'll bring you back on September 8th.
Is it a PSI or just sentencing?
No, it's just sentencing. They waived PSI and TAP evaluation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Now, I can tell you with regards to that, maybe Angelini will hear it. Maybe he will not hear it since the PSI has been waived. But,
Oh,
We
well,
will
if,
see.
if you think that's a risk, then maybe.
well, I mean, I don't know. So we'll have it.
Well, if
brought
he doesn't hear it, then we can just do it the next week.
back. Yes.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes. All right. Gustavo Jimenez.
Yesterday, he didn't appear yesterday, but I didn't know who even was recent today. I don't have no copy.
Hello, Mr. Jimenez.
Morning,
Good morning. How are you doing?
good. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. So your attorney filed a motion. The court has signed it.
Oh, great, Judge. The motion for sanity?
Yes.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset you for 45 days. If the examination comes back before then I'll call you back before then, okay? With regards to the motion your client has filed, because of the type of motion, I can't go forward on this case until that's completed. You understand? All right, I need a 45-day reset.
45 days. I can do October 6th.
That works for me, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll bring you back on October 6th. But again, if your attorney gets information for us sooner, he'll let us know. We'll bring you back sooner. All right, thank you. Do you have any questions about anything? All right.
I want to say that I passed the DRB test, the dangerous review
Mhm.
board test and stuff.
Oh, that's good.
And I was
You know, I
about
used to do a lot of mental health cases. So that's a great step.
I gave a couple piano concerts over there too.
Oh, wow.
Master pianist,
So you play, oh my gosh. So what classical?
classical, rock, everything.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Once you're released and when you're back in society, wherever you're playing at, you let me know. I'll show up.
But I wanna go back to be a choir director at church. I used to do that too.
Oh, wow. Well, let me just tell you, you can get that.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Oh, you too.
So, to wrap this up, Brianna Gonzalez walks away today with no formal conviction on record, yet. The court deferred judgment, meaning she has a chance to prove herself, but it's a thin line. Any violation, any slip, and that deferred adjudication instantly converts into a full-blown 20-year prison sentence. We also saw how the next defendant, Mr. Jimenez, raised mental health concerns, a reminder that every case carries a human story beneath the legal language. Deferred adjudication, sanity evaluations, restitution, it's not just paperwork. It's the justice system balancing punishment with possibility. So tell us in the comments, did the court make the right call here? And if you found this case as fascinating as we did, make sure to hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more deep dive courtroom breakdowns with us every week.